Okay guys, now if you ever went to the store, sprayed some body spray and it smelled the bomb, but after you sprayed that body spray, you felt sticky, you felt like it did not last, guess what? They did not have a good body spray recipe. This recipe that we will be making today leaves your skin feeling nice, silky, soft. It's long lasting. It has some really good ingredients on the inside of it. I never had a body spray to give me good skin benefits. This is actually the first one. So guys, if you want the recipe, you can click the link in the description box. It will take you straight to the recipe. This recipe is actually in my Patreon. I also have the recipe linked to my website as well. So if you just want to purchase the recipe without joining the Patreon, and of course, like I tell you guys, the Patreon has hundreds of recipes, skincare, candle. I mean, you really go to school there, learn so much. You can do that. Anyway, guys, I'm going to talk about what I'm going to be doing today. Before we talk about that, go ahead and like the channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell as well. Okay, so let's talk about what we're going to be using. So we're going to be using these 4-ounce Boston round spray bottles. I decided to go with glass because it was more luxury. I'm going to be using this scent. This is a Bath and Body Works dupe. Guys, listen. Talk to the people in the Fragrance Buddy group. Email them. Let them know we need Tutti. Is it Tutti DeLucci? Whatever. Look at the bottle. Take a screenshot and let them know we need it back. So you're going to need some preservative. You will need a type of perfumers alcohol. I'm going to make sure I give you guys the full list of ingredients so you will not miss nothing. You also will have links to vendors where you can purchase these things. Okay. This is aloe vera, and this is how we are going to get our soft skin. Okay. And also, guys, we're using a humectant, and that will help draw in moisture. We'll be using some fragrance. This recipe is really very, very simple. You can make it. I gave you the recipe to where as though you could make a gallon of base at a time. So you don't have to just make the base every time you want to make body spray. You can make a gallon of it and then just kind of pour it and just pour your fragrance into it and mix it. This recipe is going to probably produce about 64 ounces of base. You guys will see in the end. I think I filled about 12 bottles. Yeah, I filled 12 bottles and I used about 64 ounces of base. And I probably had a little bit left over, probably about 4 ounces. Okay, I had about 4 ounces left over. Anyway, guys, I am putting my first ingredient into here, and this is our anchor. And what is an anchor? An anchor is something that you use to basically anchor the fragrance onto your body. You need something for the fragrance to stick. A lot of people use, I had to switch to a bowl because that Pyrex was not big enough. Okay, so we're going to be using this metal bowl. Well, anyway, let's talk about the anchor. The anchor is anything that will cause your fragrance to stick. You know, some people use fixatives to make it be a little bit stronger. But you need an anchor, okay? If you make body spray with just, some people use like alcohol, essential oils. You don't have an anchor, it's not going to stick, okay? It's going to stick for a little bit, but you're going to need something to make it really stick, okay? So, a lot of carrier oils can be used as anchors, but you don't use carrier oils in body sprays. So you just needed to have a really good recipe, and that's why I'm giving you guys a good recipe today. All right, so we named this the Teen Body Spray. And the reason why I'm naming this is the Teen Body Spray. Now, this is just regular body spray, y'all. Y'all can use this for your regular body spray recipes, but we're using it for a teen spray today. We're going to come back and we're going to make it again. We're going to do some adult because I wanted to go over some good teen fragrances because obviously teenagers love body spray. They're going through high school and they are out buying these things, and why not sell them? Because we are the makers, and of course we sell our products. So let's go over a few fragrances that will be teen friendly, and I think that will fit very well into this body spray. So we are adding right now, I'm still adding my anchor. I had to go and get it because I ran out because I'm making 64 ounces. So the first bottle kind of ran out and I'm on my second bottle. All right, so I have a couple fragrances. One of them is Lush Candy Fluff. That's a really good one. Another one is Blonde Moment. That sounds like it's really old, adult-ish. But no, Blonde Moment really smell like pixie sticks. It smells like grape pixie sticks. I also like chocolate chip cookies from Virginia Candle Supply. That's another good one because teenagers like smelling like cookies and sweets and stuff like that. Also, there are a lot of good vanilla. Is one of them is called Vanillary, and this is a Lush dupe, and I believe just quite a few places sell it, but I know that Fragrance Buddy sell it. That's a really good one. What else? I like cotton candy. I only buy my cotton candy from one place, and it is very, very, very strong. It's very hard to find a really strong cotton candy, and then you have things like Sour Patch Kids, where you can get that from, I believe, Aztec. They used to sell it. I'm not sure if they still sell it, but I do know that Virginia Candle Supply do sell Sour Patch Kids. Now, those are all the Sweet Tooth fragrances. Guys, I'm going to leave a nice list in the Patreon with all of my top picks for those teen scents, okay, those scents that teens like, okay, so those number one hits. All right, so I am basically pouring in my distilled water. So with body spray, that's the good part about it, is you're not just using your Anchor and using so much of that. You're going to be also using your distilled water, and also you're going to be using your aloe vera gel. I mean, not aloe vera gel, it's aloe vera juice. So the aloe vera juice make your skin feel so soft, like I said in the beginning. So I really love adding this to the recipe. Somebody asked me, could we omit it? With those kind of benefits, oh my God, why would you want to omit it? But if you do want to omit it, you can replace it for just distilled water. And so that's what I do like about body spray. You kind of stretch the recipe and you don't use too much of the Anchor. I think that the Anchor is the most expensive part of the recipe, because you have to get that ordered and you have to get that shipped in. It has to come ground. It can't fly by air. So that's the most important part. So for the most part, to make this, all you're doing is mixing all of your ingredients into your bowl. And at first, everything will look pretty cloudy. In the beginning, everything will look cloudy, but it will literally clear up. And that's what I love about this recipe. I can use my clear spray bottles without a problem, because I've used a few fragrances and nothing has turned cloudy. So I know that if something turned cloudy, then I'm going to have to use my darker bottles for it. But for the most part, I haven't had that problem. What I'm doing now is I am separating just a little bit of this batch. I would say about 20 ounces of base, because I'm going to use between 3 and 5% fragrance. Okay. Now, when I tell you guys, it is very important that you realize when you're making this body spray, it is going to be very strong in the beginning with a heavy alcohol smell, because you're going to have to wait at least 1 to 2 weeks for that alcohol smell to lighten up. So we're going to be using about 20 ounces of base, and we're going to be using about 1 ounce of fragrance, okay? Because we're using 5%. You can go up to 5% in body spray, and it's fine. It won't mess up. So one of the ingredients, the key ingredients that I did not mention was, now listen, y'all, I want to tell y'all, I'm going to make sure I give you every single thing that we're going to be using. I used polysorbate 80. You can use polysorbate 20, but I did not have my 20 at the time. I used polysorbate 80, and it still came out good. It still came out clear. So you can use polysorbate 80 in this particular recipe. Now, depending on the type of fragrance you use, because one of my fragrances was yellow, and that was the Brazilian Crush. I used that one, and that is the Cheirosa. I used that, and it was a little yellow, so it caused my base to be a little yellow. It just depends. And also, I used the aloe vera juice that was a little on the greenish yellow side, and I should have got the one from Walmart, which honestly, that's the best one to use because it's super clear. Next time when I go and I make my next batch, which will be actually on Tuesday, I plan on making some more on Tuesday or Wednesday, actually Wednesday, I'm going to get that one, okay? So I use the bottles from Amazon, believe it or not. Amazon has some really good bottles, and the only thing about it is you're going to have to use those bottles, but you're also going to have to clip the sprayer, because the sprayer is extra long. So you're just going to have to clip it just a little bit, just so it can be able to, come through there freely without having anything to block it or stop it. It just depends on how the sprayer is positioned in the bottle. Sometimes it won't come out. So I just clipped it just a little bit. And so now I'm just going to go ahead and fill up all of my bottles. Now, when it came down to these bottles, I chose 4 ounces and not 2 ounces because, when you use body spray, you use a lot at one time. And when you go to the store and you buy body spray, typically your body spray do come in bigger bottles. You never really find a 2-ounce body spray. Now, you will find like perfumes in the smaller bottles, but not body spray. Okay, so 4 ounces is pretty good. And the labels that I'm going to be using is a 2x4. Now, guys, I did design these labels on my own. These labels are very beautiful. And guess what I did? I shared these labels with my Patreon members. So if you see any of my labels and you're like, oh my God, I love these labels. I know people are just starting out. A lot of people cannot make labels. That is not their skill. Some people are on Avery using Avery's template because they don't have they don't have a choice. They don't know how to design labels. So I made it very easy for my members. I designed their labels, just making the road quite easy for them. Listen, we're not all living in the same state. So I'm not going to run into nobody with my labels. You're not going to run into anybody with your labels. So listen, use those labels, okay? Anyway, guys, I ended up doing a lot of vanillas and sugars and cotton candies and Prada candies. And I did Yum Bougie Marshmallow. What's another one? I'm getting ready to make a Louis Vuitton one. I have a lot of luxury scents, so I'm going to make a lot of my body sprays with luxury scents. Guys, if you want to try out the body spray without making it, I'm going to link my actual website that I'm building in the description box. The only thing I have on that website right now is like Freshie modes. I'm actually tearing down my whole entire Freshie business, and I'm rebuilding it, and I'm doing it more of a Christian branding, okay? So I'm just going to do all Christian Freshies, and that's, I just want to sell them on TikTok that way. But I'm going to put the body spray on there, and I'm going to put the Yum Bougie Marshmallow on there. I'm going to put the Versace on there. I'm going to put the YSL on there. I'm going to put the Coach Poppy body spray on there. So you're going to see by Friday, I'm going to have all of these body sprays uploaded to my website where you can purchase them if you want them. Anyway, guys, I am finished. I'm just bottling everything up. If you want to sit around for the journey, let's do it. Guys, okay, so let's talk about this. I am going to be selling these body sprays at like my local pop-ups and stuff like that. And I'm going to be selling them for $10 for a 4 ounce. And I think that's pretty good. Now, when it came down to the whole thought of body spray, I had to choose between perfume, body oil roll-on, and I'm still making my roll-ons, but that is all I'm going to be actually selling this year. I found out that people absolutely love scents, and that's just what I'm sticking to. This is the finished product. I will see you guys again for the next video.